Greetings to all. We are presenting our research paper on bibliometric analysis of health insurance in Scopus database. Authors of the paper are Mary Sruthi Melbourne, Assistant Professor of Commerce, St. Teresa's College, Ernakulam, and Dr. Vineet K. Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government College, Tripunithura. Health has an impact on labor market results, both directly on productivity and indirectly through influencing income leisure trade offs. This shows that health insurance might play a variety of functions. First, if health insurance lowers the cost of healthcare while also increasing health, it should have an impact on labor market outcomes through increasing health. Second, health insurance may alter the usefulness of leisure time. On the other hand, persons who are healthy may be able to appreciate their leisure time more. As a result, if health insurance is linked to work, it is more likely to enhance labor force participation, but if it is not, it is more likely to decrease it. Coming to the statement of the problem, any bibliometric analysis would help us to identify the most prominent authors in the field by the number of citations, by the number of articles, the most important sources, and so forth. The present paper attempts to present a concise report of the bibliometric analysis results on articles in the area of health insurance as a keyword in Scopus database. Health insurance being an active field of study, huge volume of literature, resounding up to 2,12,008 documents could be traced from the Scopus database for the period from 1886 to 2021. The most prominent authors and sources are identified using the built-in tools of Scopus database. To begin with, we started with Google Scholar ranking, which is generated from Publish or Perish app. We could see that the top 25 articles are listed. Google Scholar ranking using this application can generate up to 1000 documents, but we have listed only the first 25, and we could see that C. Dinever's Walt and J.P. Newhouse are the authors with maximum citations. Work by J. Curie and B.C. Madrian is having first rank in Google Scholar. Considering the documents by year, we could see that 2020 met the peak with 11,345 articles with the keyword health insurance. Serious production is happening in 2021 also with 4,553 articles so far, and we know that there are half year pending to come. Considering the documents per year by source, we could see that the Journal of Modern Healthcare, the Journal of Health Affairs, Journal of PLOS 1, the Journal of Medical Care, and the New England Journal of Medicine heads the list of top contribution. Considering the documents by authors, Lin CL, Cavo CH, and Shen TJ are found to be the most prominent authors by the count of documents produced in Scopus database in this particular area. The top 10 authors are listed here, and we could also understand the number of documents for the last person is also more than 150. Understand the importance of this particular area of research. The documents by affiliation could see that the Harvard Medical School is outperforming other institutions, though California University, San Francisco is number 2 in the list. National Yang Ming University of Taiwan is number 3 in the list, and we have 10 top contributors by affiliating institution nature in this particular area with minimum 1500 documents to their credit. Considering the documents by country or territory, United States is way above any other country in this particular criteria. Germany is number 2, Taiwan is number 3, UK, Canada, South Korea, Australia, France, China, and Japan are found in the list. And as you can see, altogether by the nine countries might be less than the contribution of United States in the particular area of health insurance, but Practically, we could also understand that the US model of health insurance is also questioned. Considering the number of documents produced, 74% of the documents are research articles, followed by 7% of reviews, and then notes, editorial letters, and conference papers. Health insurance is a contract in which an insurance company promises to pay for medical expenditures if the insured becomes sick or is involved in an event that causes the insured to be hospitalized. In most cases, insurance companies have partnered with top hospitals to give cashless treatment to their customers. In the event that the insurance company does not have a contract with the hospital, the insured is reimbursed for his or her expenditures. The government also encourages people to get health insurance by allowing them to deduct it from their taxes. Literature propagates the importance of insurance protection, though paradoxical findings are also found in recent times, especially in the US model. More research is expected in this dimension to facilitate viable models for social security. Thank you very much for your patient listening.